Lavender, a plant with a history as rich and vibrant as its color. Welcome to an incredible journey where you will witness an extraordinary herb's tale. The one that has been an integral part of human existence since antiquity, charming us with its captivating beauty, enigmatic color, and intoxicating aroma. Its name is as mystical and enchanting as its existence, lavender. Today we invite you to traverse through time with us, where we will travel from the ancient world to the modern era, exploring the fascinating lore of lavender. Indeed, as old as time itself, lavender finds itself deeply entrenched in the annals of human history. It has graced our lives and homes for thousands of years, offering comfort, peace, and respite from the harsh realities of life. Its purple hue, reminiscent of the twilight sky, has been a source of inspiration for poets, artists, and dreamers alike. In the realm of the ancients, lavender held a place of high honor. Egyptians used it for mummification, offering this fragrant gift to their departed kings and queens for their journey to the afterlife. The Greeks and Romans too cherished this herb. They incorporated it into their bathing rituals, believing its fragrant scent could purify their bodies and spirits. In medieval Europe, people carried lavender in the form of a posy to ward off the plague. Its aromatic scent served as a shield against disease, a beacon of hope in dire times. The allure of lavender was not confined to medicinal uses only. It found itself woven into the tapestry of their daily use in cooking, perfumery, and even in religious ceremonies. As we move into the modern age, lavender has not lost its appeal. In fact, it's gained popularity, becoming a beloved staple in our homes. We find it in our skincare products, soothing our skin and calming our senses. In our kitchens, it adds a floral touch to our culinary delights. Its oil, with its powerful anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, has become a go-to remedy for various ailments. Lavender has not only survived the test of time but thrived, adapting to the changing needs of humanity. Its versatile nature has allowed it to navigate through the ages, evolving from a simple herb, a symbol of healing, peace, and tranquility. So, sit back, relax. Allow the soothing aroma of lavender to permeate your senses and transport you to a world of ancient wisdom and modern marvels. As we embark on this journey, we hope to uncover the secrets of this versatile herb and its timeless appeal. And as you travel with us, we promise to bring you more such stories of mystical herbs and their enchanting history. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future journeys into the world of herbs. Your participation in this journey is valuable to us. We would also love to hear from you.